In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra is stuck on Samsung logo. Now to fix this issue, we will have to perform a forced restart on our Samsung phone. To do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds. And after you do that, you will perform a forced restart on your Samsung phone. Just like that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now after 10 to 15 seconds, just release both of the buttons and you will perform a forced restart on your Samsung phone. Now after the forced restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. As you can see, our issue has been fixed, but if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just press the power button and both of the volume buttons a couple of times. Now you might have dust or debris stuck in the buttons, and by pressing these buttons a couple of times, you might free them up. And after you press these buttons a couple of times, then just perform a forced restart again. But if this also did not work, then just plug your phone into charge. Now before you charge your phone, just grab the charging cable and the adapter of your phone and make sure that it is not damaged and it is working. Also make sure you use Samsung's original charger with your phone, because if you use a third-party charger or charger which is not supported by Samsung, this can damage your phone. Now, after you've made sure that your charger is working, just plug your phone into charge for 30 minutes to an hour, and after that, just unplug your phone from charge and perform a restart on your phone. To do that, just press and hold the power button of your phone until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And if the restart did not work, just perform a forced restart again. But if you've done all of that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.